This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to find and download MySQL. Now, MySQL or MySQL or whatever you want to call it, don't even know if that is even the right way to say it, as you always hear it called as the acronym. Right, there's a few different versions, there's a few different ways that we can actually get MySQL. So if it doesn't already come bundled with whatever you're using, you do have these two options. So the first is the Enterprise Edition. So this is found at this rather long URL here, and for all of the URLs in this video, I'll include them in the video description, so you can just click on that link in the video description just below this video, and you'll wind up where you need to be, because a lot of these are actually quite buried within the different sites and are quite hard to find. So for Linux, we have all of these different versions .tar files, so you can download the version that you want. You can pick your poison here. There's also for Mac OS, which is what I have, you can download the zip bundle right here, and then there's also a Windows version here as well, also as a zip bundle. So that is the Enterprise Edition. Now, there is what's known as the Community Edition, so slightly different, but this one is free. You can find it at dev.mysql.com/downloads. Again, that will be in the video description, so you can just click that and come to the right place. Now, this screen, fairly intimidating. There's a whole bunch of different options, everything from the Yum repository here. There's an installer for Windows, so you can just click on the one. There's a shell version, the router, the operator. There's a Python version here, something for Node.js, C++ one. You will know which one you want. If not, you need to do some research on your system and what you're actually trying to do. But for example, the Windows version right here, which isn't the version I would personally get, we've got this Windows version right here. You can select your version, and you're just going to click the download button right here. So that's just an example for the Windows version. There's a lot of people watching this video on Windows. I'm actually on a Mac right here. And your downloads location will be dependent on the configuration and setup of your browser. Now, I'm on Google Chrome, and on this Mac, everything goes straight to the main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different to mine, but hopefully you found this video on how to find and download MySQL for your computer useful. If you found this video helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.